All right, so we've got this 30, 60, 90 triangle here, and this came from Arts taking a beautiful equilateral triangle, meaning that all of the sides were equal. And when we split the side, so like if this was 2 centimeters, this became 1 centimeter because this is exactly, A is the midpoint of CD. So this should be 1 centimeter and this should be 1 centimeter. And what we're looking for is what's this missing side. So I just need to use the Pythagorean theorem for this. We know a squared plus b squared is c squared, and importantly that c is the longest side, so I'm going to make that my 2. So I'm going to take my 1 squared, my 2 squared. I'm going to simplify. And once we hit this stage, you should hopefully see that b squared has to be 3. If you want to take the extra step to subtract 1, and get that b squared is equal to 3, that's totally fine. This, of course, then implies that the square root of b squared is b, and b is equal to the square root of 3 units long. So this unsure question mark right here is actually going to be the square root of 3 centimeters, I guess, since I'm using centimeters. And these really will become our ratios in between any two 30, 60, 90 triangles.